here I enjoyed these 2 days. About the event management team here, the crew members were really cool, and I have seen this setup for the first time in my life in India. So kudos to them.
Incredible, and the team behind TribeQonf did an incredible job gathering and preparing for this event. Really looking forward to TribeQonf 2024.
It was a great experience. The last 2 days at the TribeQonf were awesome. The kind of people I've met and the kind of network I was able to establish, I think is going to help me forward.